Hi Aries, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check out your and your person's energies towards you and towards this relationship. What is going on between both of you, what obstacles you are having right now, what is going to be your and your person's next step, and the final probable outcome of the situation. Alright, so let's get started with your reading. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. Alright, so let's see what is going on with my Aries and their person at present. What is happening between my Aries and their person? Alright, please, Aries and their person. Current feelings of my Aries and their person, please. Okay, so and if you want to book an appointment, a tarot appointment with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there. Alright. All right. Okay, so your energies, your feelings towards your person is the Death card over here, Aries. So I see that either your feelings have lost it. It's like you have your feelings towards your person, they have come towards an end because you feel that there's nothing to work on the situation anymore. Everything has been ended between both of you. Let me clarify why the Death card is here. Yeah, it's like there was a rush, there was a strong liking towards this person, but all of a sudden your likings towards this person is has been ended because you have started because those strong fire energies, because this person might be a fire sign or might be a Capricorn, but there was a strong likings towards them, but that I feel that now it has been ended. You either, in fact, you wanted to get married to this person, but all of a sudden you don't know why the feelings have come towards an end. Okay, let's see your energies towards this relationship, your feelings. The Lovers is here. Let's see. Okay, I think that why you have ended this thing is because of the other person's behavior towards you. This person might be feeling might be playing safe and might be doing like taking like there are opportunities, they are exploring other options, and that is why you have taken a decision to just be away from this person. But it can be you as well, my dear Aries, because this can be your energy, because your feelings towards this relationship is like you want to really move away from this relationship now. It's like you have taken a decision, although this energy involves the Lovers and Two of Cups in your part, but still it was a very beautiful relationship till the time you both were together. It was very good, but now it seems to you that you really need to move away from this relationship, or there is something because there's something hidden in the relationship and they might not be even telling you what is going on with them, and that is why your attraction, you are very attractive as well, Aries, over here. So that is why people are getting attracted towards you, and that is why you have started likings towards other people. No, but other people have really strong likings towards you, and you are doing like you are trying to skip away from the situation now. Okay, so this is a very cross watch kind of a video because Aries won't like me. Okay, so let's see. I want to see the person's energies towards you. Okay, so let's see. The feelings of your person's energy towards you is the Temperance. Okay, let's see. The Emperor card is here. So I feel that the person feels that they are at a place where they're just trying to balance something. Okay, they might not be very much into some activity. Because of that only you have started feeling that you want to end things, because they are not showing the love which they had towards you before. Now it's really hard to find that kind of love towards you because of the Emperor energy. They might be hiding, not hiding, but they might be not sharing, not feeling the same thing before they were sharing towards, they were feeling towards you, and they are trying to just balance out their love life, their work life, everything like that. The High Priestess energy is here. They are at a place where they are not at all present there physically, not emotionally. That is what is coming up towards you. Yeah, it's a strong restriction which they have started binding, and that is why you have started also feeling that endings towards them because of this situation. Let's see why the Six of Cups is there in the feelings towards this relationship. Two of Cups and the Judgment card. Okay, so I think this was already a second chance which was given to your person, which you have given, or you have given to your person, or your person has given to you, Aries. It is something like that. There was a second chance. This was a reconciliation already, and you both started it again, because once a thing, a knot is broken, a thread is broken, there's a knot now. Okay, so that is why you are not able to ignore that you have cheated them before, or they have cheated you before, because strong cheating energy, strong exploring other options energies are here. So that is why it's really hard to forget all those things which happened before, and that is why this reconciliation happened, but it is not there to last forever. Okay. What is the obstacle from your side? Two of Cups is here with the Three of Wands. Okay, so strong third party relationship. Might be this person thinks that there is something else. Either the third party relationship can be a mother, can be a sister, can be something else other than the relationship. Okay, so it can be anything. You feel that this person is more into some other opportunity, other things, like they are more into success, they are more into travel, not in you. So that is why this obstacle is coming, and that is why if you are not getting that that attention from them, and that is why you want to just, it's like an end for you, that it's better to end the relationship than to just linger on in this thing forever, because it's not making you feel very happy. Queen of Wands. Yeah, you are a person who is also very ambitious. This person is also very ambitious. Strong Leo energies are here. This person is really ambitious, Aries, but but this person is like, my ambition is more important, my other things are more important. They have prioritized other things instead of you, and that is why you are not feeling the same, the way you also used to feel for them before. You are tired of them, of this relationship. Their energies towards the obstacle, basically their obstacles towards this relationship is the Nine of Swords energy. So they think that they are in stress because of this relationship. They think that it's completely being in the same situation. They feel that it's better to just leave from this relationship because of the lack of communication, no contact, and there's always a gap in contact with each other. It's like weeks and sometimes months even, and then you are talking. So this is not how a relationship works, and that is why you are not waiting for them anymore, Aries. That is what I'm getting from your energies. You are not waiting for them anymore. No. Yeah, the Hanged Man. They are trying to just linger on in this situation, and the situation overall is lingering. It's just coming back, and you both do not want that. If there's no contact, it's better to just be away from this relationship. That is what you both actually feel. Okay, so your steps towards this relationship: two of Wands energy with the Eight of Swords, Page of Pentacles, and the Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, again, still slow progress, slow energies are coming up with the Pentacles energy. You feel that you are just being there. You literally are going nowhere. Okay, so that is why the problem is you are staying there in the relationship, which is not giving you good of anything. You have other situations, might be some other people are also approaching you, but since you have since there is no end in the relationship, not a closure in this relationship till now, so that is why you are just lingering and you are just waiting for this person to either end this relationship or to have a good start. At least we can start, because since I am not getting some strong feelings towards this person anymore from your side, but still you want to just want a closure basically. Ace of Wands in their energies of taking a step towards this relationship. King of Pentacles, I think they have an idea, they have a thought about this relationship, that I should talk to my Aries, that let's just start again if we can, because they have a thought but they have not put that thought into action yet. They are too busy to handle this situation. It's like they are into some other situation, they are more into their family business, and that is why they are ignoring you at this time. That is why they are not there is not a very good contact with, you know, good communication as well. Communication gap is there. This is the reason. Lingering and lingering, so much of, you know, no communication. Let's see why the overall, the probable outcome is the King of Pentacles. Let's see why the King of Pentacles is here in the probable outcome. Why? The Hierophant is here. What else do we have? The Fool. See, if you feel that you can start this relationship again, it will be just a leap of faith. Okay, you will be again taking a risk in this relationship, because you both have different thoughts, different opinions, you know, both have your different point of views towards each other and towards the relationship, because how you want to take a relationship to the next level is very different from their perspective of taking this relationship to the next level. You really need strong, you know, there's a lot of strength required to keeping on with this relationship, because I think you both have lost that strength. It's like no more there, because you both are tired, and the thinkings and the thought process of the other person, you are getting rid of that thought process. You are like, at least think something. It's I'm always the one who is thinking. Why are you not thinking? I know you are ambitious, my, you know, the Aries person, you are ambitious, but at least you need to communicate to your Aries, and that is what the Aries is saying, that you really need to communicate to me, and we can handle that situation. But if you are not, if there's no communication, if there's no contact, nothing can be done. All right, so that is all from my side, my dear Aries. I hope that helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.